Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking. Today it is a Sunday morning, it is breakfast time, and I'm so casual right now making crepe for you today. Let me take you to the ingredient and we can get started. So we're gonna need some all-purpose flour, some liquid milk, vanilla extract, cornation milk, granulated sugar, eggs, melted butter unsalted, and I'm using a bowl and a hand mixer just to make life easy and to get also the great smooth texture of crepe. Now you can go ahead and definitely sift your flour. I have not sifted my flour because it's gonna go on the hand mixer. So this is going to be, and also I have a pinch of salt here which I forgot to mention. So I'm just gonna mix this up here and then just set it on a side for now. Now to my bowl, I'm gonna start breaking the egg. All of them, all 3 eggs is going to this bowl. Add your cornation milk, the liquid milk, vanilla extract. I'm just eyeballing it, but you can measure it. And then I'm just gonna use my hand mixer and give this a mix. Add melted butter and keep mixing. Sugar. And now you're gonna add all of your flour with a pinch of salt that we have added. And then also beat this well. And that was enough beating. You can see now I'm gonna show you the texture of the crepe. This is how it's supposed to be. Okay, so now let's go to the stove. I'm gonna preheat the pan and then we're gonna start cooking. My pan is heating on low heat. I'm just gonna brush it with a little bit of oil. This is half cup measurement. Just drop it to your pan and try to move the batter around by lifting the pan a little bit up from the heat. Move it until you see the batter is not going anywhere. And then let the crepe cook, still on low heat. And after this one, you don't have to keep brushing the pan anymore because I'm using the non-stick pan, so it's okay. Depending if you're using a non-stick one, then you have to brush the pan with oil each time. Now you can see this is not sticky or anything. You can easily lift the crepe up. You're not gonna turn this until you see all this butter dry. When you see this dry, then you can lift the crepe. Now you can see the bubble has been started and all the butter, the wet butter dry. Now you're gonna lift, flip it over and let it cook on the other side. And this is a natural color that you can get on a crepe, on a French crepe. And this would be a perfect color as well. You don't want your crepe to go too much golden brown or too much lighter than this. I think this is the best color on a crepe. And now you're gonna let this cook. This will take about half a minute each side. See, it's not even ready on the other side, so we're just gonna wait a little bit. And now it's time to remove the crepe and place it onto a plate. As you guys can see, I have already made a few of them, and I'm gonna just keep going to the same process. My French crepe, they are all ready to go. Of course, in my belly. I'm so excited right now. This recipe will make about 18 crepes, and I have used a measurement cup, which is half cup. And then this is how is my crepe. I just want to share with you how do I like to serve this, just to be a little bit fancy side. Some blueberry, healthy breakfast, just like so. And then optional, you can just drizzle or sprinkle some powdered sugar, or you can have whipping cream. Just whip the cream, put some sugar in it, some vanilla extract in it, and then you can just put a dollop of cream here, and then have your easy and breakfast is ready to go. So quick and easy recipe is waiting for you down below. I will see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and do let me know what do you want to see next in breakfast side. If you have any of your favorite breakfast, let me know as well. I will see you next time. Bye.